welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you a festive look, a festival look on the occasion of Dussehra. So this is the look, simplest look. So I hope you all like it, and if you want to do this look, if you like this look, then please continue watching. So the moisturizer here I'm using is Pond Superlight Gel Moisturizer. I've already applied on my face. Just massaging it properly. And I'll be waiting for a few seconds. Now I'm using Lotus Eco Stay Primer. Foundation I'm using is from Pack Cosmetics. This, and I've already taken on my hand, and I'll be applying first. This way, all over my face. Like this, and I'm blending it with a wet beauty blender. The concealer I'm using is from Elegal Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige. On my eyelid. And I am blending it with the same beauty blender. And now I am setting my foundation with Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Tapping the excess. Then I am using the Max Touch Bronzer, the third shade. Tapping the excess. Everything on other side. Don't forget the nose. Applying blush from the Shivana Colors Attract Blush Palette, and the shade here I'm using is this. Tapping the excess, and I'm not applying it on the apple of my cheeks. I'm applying it only here. Now I'm doing my brows with the Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. I don't like a lot dark eyebrows. So from Forever 52 eyeshadow palette, I'm just using this light brown shade here and applying it all over my eyelid. Yes. That's it. I'm not doing any heavy eye makeup today. I'm applying a pencil or pen eyeliner. This is from Maybelline New York, the colossal one. This. So now I'm applying black kajal on my waterline. This is from Wet n Wild. Highlighter from Wet n Wild. So I'm using mascara from Maybelline Temptation Mascara. This is how you have to remove the excess mascara. You don't have to push in the air inside. So the lip liner and lipstick here I am using is the lip liner is from Faces Canada and the shade is maroon, and the lipstick is from Maybelline Sensational Matte and the shade is Flush It Red. In the meanwhile, I am wearing my jewelry. This is the final look. I hope you all like it, and this is the easiest makeup to do on the occasion of Dussehra. And I hope you will try this makeup, and thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe down below and don't forget to press the bell icon and even like and share my video. So bye, I'll meet you in the next video.